That's like the most easiest puzzle you could ever ask for. You don't have to move anything.
Friction. Today we'll be learning about the friction. And what is friction, you may say? Friction is the force between the surface and the object at moving speed. And for example, we have two fine gentlemen here who will give us a very well thought out and organized idea.
There we go. This is an example of low friction.
As you can see, when the dark-skinned man say low friction, it means that the object has very low resistance against the surface. And so, when he slide the red disc across the surface, it moves very smoothly and does not stop until reaching an end in the goal.
Friction.
Now, rookie here, we have this white boy here who had the idea to slide across the floor into this pile of garbage. If it wasn't for the high friction between the carpet and the sock, he would have crashed into there and looked like a buffoon. And look at that hair. Ew, so gross. Here we have the proposed problem of the friction, where we take two phone books and fold them over each other page by the page. And at the end, the friction is so hard that you cannot pull the phone book apart. So here, we follow the man draw the picture of this ancient Ming Dynasty myth. And here he draws the pages, but there are no pages, just covers of the book. Well, maybe L's on the side. But anyway, we got the mu s, like the Pokemon Mew, of coefficient static the friction, equals the force of the Fig Newton, times the force of static friction, and then we have the x, like the ex-boyfriend, girlfriend, equals the nothing, and the static friction equals the Fn mg. Oh, why'd you stop? Why are you erasing it? Oh, you don't know nothing. You are so embarrassing. I am so disappointed. Here we got the drawing again, and finally he learned his lesson and drew more than one page. And as you can see, he is much more organized now. You can see he's got the phone book at the top, and then he has his equation like a good boy, and then not actual, because clearly the phone book has more than 5 pages and a cover. And so here he has his US mu s equals the 0.34, and the m equals 1g, and so he plugged that into his little formula, and he has the Fs equals the 0.0033 newtons, and so there are 2,000 pages per book, so 2,000 plus the 2,000 equals the 4,000. So he does the 0.0033 times the 4,000 equals the 132 newtons, times 2 equals 264, because there are the 2 phone books. But enough about the number. Why wouldn't we put it in the practical term?
Now we're gonna pull this phone book apart. Try to pull this phone book apart, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you switched it over. Hey, it's ripping. Wow, keep it up.
Look at that. All guys will give you that. They stay together. Okay, go. Why are you talking, Preston? So ridiculous. God. Four. By myself? Yeah, just do it. Come on. Just do it. Come on. Like hard.
dun 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 dun.